Of course not. I'm really glad you could come.
Are we going to stand around here all day or are we going to go inside? Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am.
Vegetable jokes.
Are you wearing Bob?
He's Tubby.
Okay, come on out. There. Oh, hell no.
Extra Tubby. He's chubby as hell. He broke a piece. Blah.
This ain't like no real beach, 'cause on the real beach you got people walking around with ice chests, and you can get all kinds of treats like sandwiches and potato chips and Mentos and Skittles and all sorts of delectables. You can't get shit here.
Well, you know, there's a concession stand.
You going?
Oh, no, I already ate.
Well, you could have fooled me.
Oh, I'm sorry?
I'm just trying to say, you're too damn skinny. Look at you. You don't smell like a woman that got little hair. You ain't got nothing. Just skin and bones, just sitting in a chair, all bone, skin. Oh, I feel sorry for you.
Well, I just feel that we're all made exactly the way we're supposed to be.
Oh, no, hell no, I'm a Christian. And you ain't going to sit there and blame God for how you look, okay? You don't want to push that plate away. I know, but it's always telling me it's two kind of women. Big old good ones and good old big ones.
Really?
That's right. Look, let me tell you, just between the two of us, I can't keep Marvin off me. He's the biggest freak you ever want to meet, and he be blowing my back out. Now, put me through the headboard every night. Think about going on a little diet or something so I can get on emaciated looking like you. Then he'll think I look disgusting, and I get arrested for sleep for a little while, because he want it all the time. Boom, bam, boom, boom, boom. But I ain't mad.
Boom, boom, boom.
I'm going to go on the diet for sure. Next week, right now, I'm going to get me a Lancer ball and a wine cooler. How you doing? Where's that wine cooler section?
Miss Thomas, we're all going up to Sleep Dune. Come on.
Slowly.
Slow down.
Old man, you're going to break your head in half in a second. Slow down. Tell you, sure is tiring chasing these kids all around the water park, isn't it?
Especially for a skinny folks.
What?
Never mind. So, Norbit, I have some news. Dion and I decided to hook up a wedding.
What wedding?
Our wedding. We're going to get married on Saturday.
You're getting married on Saturday?
Yeah, we just figured why wait, you know?
Oh. Well, congratulations.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I'm really happy.
Oh, so am I. Wonderful.
So there it is, the leap of faith.
Yeah, go and have fun. I'll wait for you at the bottom.
Woo!
Okay.
Okay, kids, one at a time. Woo! I guess it is me.
What are you looking at, Nora? Oh, well, I was watching the kids. They're about to come down the slide. I went to watch the kids come down safely. Kids, huh? Well, you want to watch the kids come down the slide. I'm going to show you how a bitch come down the slide. Oh, no, Rick.
Extra cranky.
Excuse me, ma'am.
It's gonna break.
We have a favor to complete your marriage.
I don't weigh no damn 300 pounds. I weigh 165.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Shark!
Introduction. I'm going to show you how a bitch go down the slide.
Tubby people going on a slide. Slide's gonna break. She's gonna go right to the hole, watch.
Mother of God.
awkward vegetable jokes. That's a bad vegetable joke. How you doing?